Okay, it's New Year's, and we're Julia and I are going to go out to ShabuRO to have a New Year's Eve hot pot, and we're going to try out this GoPro Hero 8. New Year's Eve. All right, so we're going to go in and have a hot pot. We're going to go in and try out the Hero 8 Black and have a hot pot. All right, so we're going in. Let's go. So you're gonna have the New Year's Eve hot pot, right? Yeah. We'll try to have it. We'll see what we're gonna have, right? We're gonna try it different. All right, so what are you gonna have today?
I have nothing to say.
You have nothing to say?
It's New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. It's gonna be 2020.
5:37.
How many more hours to go? Alright, so my assessment of tonight's ShabuRO was good. I tried the dashi, and it is dashi. I think I like the tomato better. Now I have my vanilla ice cream.
Dash it through the snow?
Yeah, dashi through the snow. Dashi through the snow. Something like that. So that's my assessment. Using the GoPro Hero Black. Hero 8 Black. Alright, did you enjoy your dinner? Alright, we're just leaving ShabuRO. The first ShabuRO restaurant. $12.95.
All included.
I have no idea what this machine is, but it says it's not a garbage can. But I don't know what it is. It smells weird. Some kind of Korean container. I'm gonna ask somebody about this.
Machine where you bathing suit. What hotel is that?
To dry your umbrella? It's all full of garbage.
Oh, maybe it's a garbage can.
No, it's not a garbage can. It said this is not a garbage can. Your fresh pot, it says this is not a garbage can. So that's what it says here. So we're just leaving ShabuRO. And we had a fairly good hot pot.